guys, I'm Lainey.
I'm Don.
And we're Spectrewaves Paranormal.
And tonight we're in Eaton Rapids, Michigan at the Stimson Hospital.
And we captured some great paranormal evidence.
Yes, we did.
So please go ahead, share our videos with everybody.
And don't forget to like us, subscribe, and please leave some comments. We'd love to hear what you guys have to say about all of our paranormal investigations.
Lainey here from Spectrewaves Paranormal.
I'm Don. Good night, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
So are there any patients that are left here?
3.2. Who are you guys trying to grab? Was there a patient? Oh, there was a patient.
Okay, thank you.
Did you get him?
Can you touch that device again, please?
Leave the liquor alone. Come in here.
I heard it.
I have no clue.